Unlock a world of creative possibilities in Photoshop without spending a dime by seamlessly integrating Nano Banana's free resources. Today, we're diving into how you can leverage Nano Banana's fantastic free offerings to elevate your photo editing and graphic design projects within Adobe Photoshop. You won't need to purchase anything to follow along. First, let's explore the free plugins. Head over to the official Nano Banana website. Look for their freebies or resources section. You'll find a curated selection of plugins designed to add unique effects and functionalities to your Photoshop toolbox. Installation is usually straightforward, often a simple drag and drop into your Photoshop plugins folder, or a guided installer. Check their specific instructions for each plugin. Once installed, these plugins will appear within Photoshop's menus, typically under the filter or window menus, ready to be applied to your images or designs. Now, let's talk about free templates. Nano Banana often provides downloadable templates that give you a head start on various projects. From social media graphics to digital art pieces, these templates are fantastic for understanding effective layouts and design principles. Simply download the template files, usually in PSD format, and open them directly in Photoshop. You can then customize the text, replace images, and adjust colors to make them your own. Finally, we'll touch on workflows. Nano Banana's free resources are designed to be integrated into your existing editing process. For instance, you might use a free Nano Banana texture overlay to add depth to a photograph, or a free brush set to create unique artistic elements. Experiment with these free plugins, templates, and workflows by incorporating Nano Banana's generous free offerings. You'll discover new ways to enhance your creative projects in Photoshop without any cost. Start exploring today and see what amazing designs you can create.